Who doesn't love some simple fried fish? Half of the fish and chip combo right here. Start off with a thawed fillet of whiting or whitefish or cod, any whitefish really. Roll it around seasoned flour. Then you're gonna dip it in egg, get both sides. Then you're gonna drain it off the excess because you don't want a bunch of chunks here. You want a light and fluffy batter. Put it back in that same seasoned flour, and you can make this as fancy as you want, but this is just bare bones, simple as you go. Bread it up, put it in some hot oil, fry until it starts to turn golden brown or crispy. You can tell your oil is hot enough when you dip or drop just a little bit of flour in. It should sizzle up immediately, and then you know you're good to go. These are coming along nicely. Oh, with the tongs. We like tongs. Okay. They're nice, crisp. I mean, they're not as brown as they could be, but that's okay. They're done, I promise. Oh, got him! There we go, got them both. That was close. Ran out of paper towels, so I drained them on a rack. Let's get them out of the way. Now as a bonus, you're gonna get a little sauce I make, or poor man's aioli, whatever you call it. So we're gonna have some mayo. You're gonna give a little bit of lemon juice in there, about lemon wedge. You're gonna hit it with a little bit of salt. Oh yeah, that's actually pepper, but you do put a pinch of salt in. A little bit of cayenne, and obviously if you want it spicy, you can add a lot more. And then I think that's about a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix it up, and if you think it needs more of any one of those ingredients, you can add it, but the important part is just to have it balanced and really for you to like it. Now, I think all fish needs a little bit of parsley, or seafood in general, so sprinkle it up so it just looks just a little bit more appetizing with that on that. That looks good. Throw down your sauce, because once again I did not have tartar sauce. Enjoy.